One eternity later.
Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to my mini vlog. As the morning sun rises, the first order of the day is to brush my teeth, savor a cup of a coffee, and take a refreshing shower to kickstart that morning before heading to work. After completing my work duties, I return to my boarding house, take care and laundry, enjoy a brief rest. Soon after it's time to gear up again, change into fresh clothes, and prepare to head to school. It's a cycle of getting ready, thinking on a responsibility, and finding moment to recharge throughout the day. Join me as I navigate this daily routine, balancing work and school with a touch self-care in a between.
Naaalala mo pa ba yung mga araw na unti-unti mo nang pinlano at nag-umpisa ka sa mga pangarap na gusto mong marating? Kahit na mahirap ay pilit mong tatawirin. Hindi ba't hindi na balik kung malayo pa man? Anda ang tatahakin mo, gusto mong mapuntahan, kaya't hindi ka nagdalawang isip na lumaban.
Teacher,